What's up, you guys? I'm Christina Sheree. If you're new to my channel, hey. If you're returning, it's always good to see you. And before we jump into this video, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button? Alright, you guys, today I'm combining my favorite color combination. I love pinks and I love smoky eyes, so put them together for one. And I'm jumping into my Colourpop stash, my Bare Necessities palette, and one little NYX shadow for this look. So I'm excited to show you how I came up with this look, and for that, we're just gonna jump right into this video. I'm in the mood for a girly smoky eye. So I'm gonna do a brown and pink smoky eye. Those are kind of my favorite colors. I really love brown smoky eyes and I love the color pink. So I'm gonna combine them. I'll put a picture up on the screen, but today I'm using the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. Love this one. So just jumping into the tutorial, my eyes are already primed. I'm using my Morphe M441 and I'm going into the color Tabloid. I did not set my primer. That's all. Just didn't set it. Alright, you guys, so placing this in my transition area all the way across and blend it on out. Okay, so to build on that color, I'm taking my Dominique Cosmetics Crease Blur brush. Just makes me laugh saying that. And I'm going into the color Crack On, and I'm going to deepen up this color, but for this one, starting placing it, really focusing it actually in the socket. So for sure all up in that crease area. And I'm going to focus this color mostly on the middle to the outer eye and build up the saturation. Okay, so now picking up my Sephora Pro Drawing shadow brush, I'm going into the color Taboo. We're just going to place this in the outer V and just deepen this up a little bit more just in the outer V. Okay, so now I'm taking my Melt Cosmetics Columbia pencil. It's a nice warm brown, going with the theme here. I'm going to place this all over the lid and then smudge it out just to create a nice base for the next color. Important thing with this is that you, when you smudge it, you make it even across, so it's nice and saturated across the entire lid. When you're putting it on, it's gonna look kind of funny though. Okay, you guys, so now I'm taking my finger and I'm going into the color Revel. And I'm gonna place this color on the outer third of the eye. Okay, so now I'm taking my Jelly Much shadow in the color Half Moon. You can see that. And I'm going to place this all over the lid and have some fun with it. Taking my NYX Cosmetics, the color Smart Mouth, so this shadow here, I'm going to place this now on top of the Jelly Much shadow that we did. So this should, yep, turn it pink. A little bit of different color sparkles underneath. I like it a lot. So what I'm going to do now is take my Morphe M506 and go into the color Spyglass, which is a black. And I want to deepen up this outer corner a bit more. So I'm lightly starting with this and building it up. You can always add more, but be careful with black because you put too much and, well, you know. So start light and then just build it up. Okay, so taking a clean blender brush, we're going to start on the lower lash. And I'm going back into the color Tabloid. This is a pretty fluffy brush. I'm using my Melt Cosmetics blender brush. I'm just going to sweep this all along the lower lash, pretty far down. and start in the inner corner and bring that to the top. Now with a smaller blender brush, I'm using my Morphe M506 and I'm going into the color Crack On. And I'm just going to place this now on top of that, but closer to the lash line. Okay, so now with my Sigma E30 pencil brush, this one here, I picked up the color Taboo. And we're going to place this, stamp this as close to the lash line as possible. And literally just give it a little bit of shade there. Taking my Morphe M506, I'm going into the color Active Fool. And I'm going to run this right along the lower lash to blend all these colors together and lighten up the browns. Okay, back to my Sigma E30 pencil brush. I switched the other color off. Now I'm taking just a little bit of Spyglass, the black. I'm gonna stamp this color in the outer V, the outer third of the lower lash. Okay, now taking the same pencil brush and the same color, I'm just going to lightly put this on the top just to kind of form a shadow wing, just a little bitty one. Like that. Alright you guys, so I'm going to do my liner and mascara and check my blending off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I did a couple things to complete the look off camera. I used my Melt I think it's called 1987. Yeah, my 1987 pencil. It's just a black pencil and tight lined underneath. And then I actually used my Melt Columbia pencil. It's a warm brown, so you can see the color here. And just went all the way through, put it on my lower lash, really low here, and just kind of smudged it just to give it a little bit more of a brown feel there. And then used the black pencil in the waterline on the lower lash. And then up top I did a wing, and I used my Fenty Cause I'm Black, I love that, liquid liner, so this one here. And then I did my mascara, and that's all I did for the top. For lips, I just kept it simple. I just used my NARS Orgasm Lip Oil, so this one here. And that is all. Hopefully guys you like this look, this pink and brown look. I love the combination. It just does something. Brown with any color is just really nice. So I did that today. Well you guys, popping something up on the screen. Why don't you go ahead and hit that notification bell, subscribe button, and like the video. And while you're there, give me some comments. Like, I'd love to hear what you guys think about the color combination. Do you like this palette? Do you think brown and another color works really well? Whatever your thoughts are, I want to hear them. I want to talk to you guys. Alright you guys, so I really do appreciate the time you guys gave me, and as always, whatever time it is for you, morning, noon, or night, thank you so much for giving me some of it. You guys have a wonderful, beautiful, fabulous day. Bye.